Welcome to the Intuit Dome, the super cool home of the Los Angeles Clippers. Tonight, we're diving into an awesome walk around the arena for Hello Kitty Night, where you'll get to see all the amazing design and fan-focused features that make this place stand out. As you roll up to the Intuit Dome, you'll be blown away by the massive 80,000 square foot outdoor plaza. It's such a lively spot, complete with a full-size basketball court, some cool art pieces, and a huge media screen flashing Hello Kitty vibes to celebrate tonight's festivities. Fans of all ages are hanging out here, soaking up the fun atmosphere before heading inside. When you step through those main doors, you're welcomed into this awesome indoor-outdoor terrace that really makes the most of that beautiful Southern California weather.
Thank you. Walls all the way to the top.
Now let's talk about the main entrance and concourse. This terrace connects the outdoor plaza to the inside concourse, giving it a super open and breezy feel. The concourse is buzzing with excitement as fans check out all the cool food stands and merch shops.
Clippers versus Grizzlies.
Tonight, there's some exclusive Hello Kitty and Clippers collab gear up for grabs, and you can bet fans are stoked to snag something special to remember the night. The layout of the concourse is all about keeping things quick and easy, so you won't miss any of the action with those handy grab-and-go food spots.
What level are we on? Oh, they have courts. Let's find our level first. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, this the court. Oh, okay. There. Yeah, I just wanna. There it is.
Above the court hangs the impressive Halo board, a 44,000 square foot double-sided LED screen that encircles the arena. Tonight, it's adorned with Hello Kitty imagery, displaying themed content, interactive games, and live footage. The Halo board ensures that every fan, regardless of their seat location, has a clear view of the action and entertainment. Today, everyone seated at the wall gets a free Hello Kitty magnetic shoulder plush toy. What a treat.
Hi. Do we get our plushies over here?
Do you have your...
Well, we're seated right there, the 13, yeah, but I do have it.
Okay.
There's two of us. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, these are cute.
I know.
That's what they give you, that little...
How do I show my ticket
If
for?
you guys could just come closer.
Oh, okay.
Give me the help you.
Yeah. Oh, okay. No problem.
And we just have to see ticket.
As you head to your seat, you can't help but notice how comfy everything is. With nearly 18,000 seats offering the most legroom in the NBA, plus USB ports for charging your devices, you're set for a great time. And those seats come with LED lights and interactive buttons letting you get in on the games and activities happening on the Halo board. One of the coolest parts is the wall, a massive 51-row section right behind one of the baskets. This spot is all about the Clippers' biggest fans, creating an electric vibe that feels just like a European soccer stadium. You can really feel the energy from the wall, especially on special theme nights like tonight.
Oh, Ronan, you just follow them.
It's not Ronan, it says right here.
Just Ronan.
The game is catch and shoot. You can shoot whatever you want to. Right over here, you can shoot 50, 3, or NBA 3. Just catch and shoot. Don't get hit in the face. It's the last.
Walking around, I'm loving how the Intuit Dome is all about sustainability. It's 100% carbon-free from the start, using solar panels and on-site batteries to power events. Plus, the natural ventilation keeps energy use low while making the fan experience even better. There's a cool viewing area where you can peek into the practice facility, which has 2 regulation courts bathed in natural light thanks to a sunken garden. Being so close to the main court really connects the players with the community and shows the Clippers' dedication to their fans. And get this, the Intuit Dome has more restrooms than any other NBA venue, so you can spend less time waiting and more time enjoying the game. It's all about making the experience comfy and convenient for everyone. As you kick back in your seat, the pre-game fun is in full swing. The mix of innovative design, fan-friendly perks, and the awesome Hello Kitty theme creates an unforgettable vibe. The Intuit Dome really showcases the Clippers' commitment to their fans, blending sports, entertainment, and community like never before.